Have a gander at this coriander and carry on watching to find out how you can cut like this as well. Hello, welcome back to Chef in Red. Today we're cutting coriander and carry on watching and see how you can do it as well. So grab the coriander, start from the stem first and use the knife using your forearm in a slow up and down motion as you start. Okay, let's flip it over, let's look from the other side. As you can see, I'm wrapping the coriander around to keep a nice tight composition so it cuts very finely. Make sure you keep your fingers well back and you're using the middle knuckle of your finger as a baseline, how high the knife should go. Okay, when you'll be doing it, you'll be doing a lot slower than I am, that's all good, but a bit more practice and you'll be able to do the same. And as you can see towards the end, we're keeping it nice and tight all the way through to ensure it's a lovely cut. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video.